Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Coach Ankita. In this channel, we are going to pichwai not just in its traditional form, but are also going to see how we can explore various elements of pichwai and fuse it into contemporary style or the way any artist pleases to do. And for that, we are exploring all the elements of pichwai one by one. Anybody and anyone are open to join me in this journey. For that, I have formed a vibrant community of Pichwai art lovers. The details for the community are already given in the caption, and it is completely free for anyone to join and learn the Pichwai art form. Our today's element of Pichwai is a Pichwai cow. Will start with two circles, one bigger in the center and second one smaller towards the left side in the front. For the body, we will start making a curve starting from the smaller circle towards the bigger circle for the body of the cow. Now, for the eyes and the horns, we will start making the shape towards the head for the horns. In the smaller circle, we are going to make the mouth, and in the bigger circle, we are going to draw the eyes. Again, for the nose, we are going to the smaller circle and we will make a small nose shape. Then we are going to take out the ears just near the drawing of the horn. Now finally, let's complete the drawing with the jewelries. And we are done with the drawing of the Chivai cow.